ભગવાનની જય. રે શ્યામ તમે સાચું નાણું, બીજું સર્વે દુઃખદાયક જાણું. This Muktanand Swami's Kirtan is kind of sung every day by satsangis in the Nitya Niyamavali, in the night, before sleeping. And sometimes beautiful kirtans like this become a habit out of rituals, and the meaning that they try to express becomes taken for granted. But if they are sung at a slow speed with extreme concentration and focus on each word and the bhav behind it, a beautiful feeling, emotion is felt, and hence they are chosen and handpicked to be a part of Nitya Niyamavali. The idea of singing them every day is because their meaning needs to be revisited every day. But because it becomes a habit, we kind of just haste into these things. Especially this is one of those kirtans that is sung right at the end, and we tend to get into that wrapping up mode, whereas this is like the hammer in the nail at the end of the Nitya Niyamavali. रे श्याम तमे साचू नाणु, बीजू सर्वे दुखदायक जाणु. रे श्याम तमे साचू नाणु. God, you are the truth, you are the real treasure. Everything else is pleasure, but actually a source of unhappiness. Pleasures seem like happiness, but eventually bring with it loads of triggers of unhappiness. It's unhappiness disguised as pleasure, and God is disguised as sadhana, as boundary, as restrictive religious life. But by leading this restrictive religious bounded life, one gets to feel liberation. And by living a life of a free mind, one actually gets bondaged. The illusion is so deceptive, and the truth is right in front of our eyes, right inside us, within us, but we tend to miss it, is what Muktanand Swami is highlighting. रेतम विना सुख संपत कहावे, ते तो सर्वे महादुख उपजावे. अंते ये माँ काम कोई नावे, रे श्याम तमे साचू नाणु. Whatever is called as pleasure or wealth, whatever we human beings are trying to accumulate, all that are reasons or causes of Mahadukh. In the end, on the day of judgment, when our life comes to an end, when we are going to be sitting on our deathbed, none of this is going to come with us. Only the Naam Jap we have done, the seeking we have done, the worshipping we have done, the good karmas we have done. Only the connection that we established with God and with our own inner true self is going to come with us, is going to help us elevate as a soul, as a spirit. Only the spiritual accumulations are going to help. Whatever else was gathered materially is not going to help. रे मूरख लोक मारे भटकी, झूठा संगे हारे शिर पटकी. એથી મારી મનવૃત્તિ અટકી રે શ્યામ તમે સાચું નાણું. All of us are living a life of ignorance, of darkness, of foolishness. We are running helter-skelter here and there in search of happiness, in the wrong company, in the wrong places. And are we going to achieve anything out of this? No, we are not. In fact, we are going to try hunting for true happiness everywhere and eventually going to get lost, get confused, feel empty, feel incomplete, feel unfulfilled, get frustrated, get depressed. It's not going to lead us anywhere. Then where to find this true happiness? छे अखंड अलौकिक सुख सारू ते जोई जोई मन मोहयु मारू धरा धन तमाऊ परवारू रे श्याम तमे साचुं नाणुं. The only akhand, infinite, alaukik, out of this world, true sukh is of yours, O God. That has always attracted me. That the happiness, the peace, the bliss, the love that I feel in your aura is something that mesmerizes me, pulls me, magnetizes me. And I am ready to barter everything else in this universe, all the wealth, all the material pleasures, all the attractions, temptations, distractions. I am ready to give them all up because I want the higher truth, the higher form of happiness, the higher form of peace, the divine most love, and that is your love. And I know that it's only in you that I'm going to find all this. रे ब्रह्मा थी कीट लगी जोयूं जूठू सुख जाणीने वगोव्यूं मुक्तानंद मन तामा संग मोयूं रे श्याम तमे साचुं नाणुं बीजूं सर्वे दुखदायक जाणूं रे श्याम तमे साचुं नाणुं. I have searched everywhere, from Brahma, from the most magnificent, huge form of creation to the smallest creature that you have created. I have experienced each of this. I thought that happiness is here. I thought that happiness is there. And in that urge of happiness, in that quest of happiness, I tried and experienced everything. All sensual indulgences I engaged in, and I realized that none of them have lasting happiness. All of them have illusionary happiness. The only place where I am going to find everlasting happiness is you, is what I have realized, and I am reminding myself, don't search elsewhere. Come and stay and connect within. Come and connect with God. And that is the only thing that is going to make us experience uninterrupted divine peace, love, bliss and happiness. Sahajanand Swami Maharaj Ji Jai.